Hey Porsche fans, it's Rich DelMazzio at Porsche Greenwich. I've been a brand ambassador at the store for 19 years and I'd love to sell you a car. All of my contact details are below: phone number, cell phone, text, email. Let's make it easy, reach out to me directly. Right behind me I have what many of you are calling a baby GT3. All right, and I'm here to tell you that it's not a baby GT3, but we have to call it something. Let's figure out what it is in a moment. Let's get right to it. So, what is this car? This is a brand new 2026 911 Carrera GTS Coupe with the factory installed Aero Kit with the black design version of it. All right. So first and foremost, what is a 911 GTS? 911 GTSs are our most powerful non-GT, non-turbo labeled 911s. Okay. It sits above the base Carrera, sits above the Carrera T, and sits just above the Carrera S with a whopping 532 horsepower thanks to a new turbo hybrid system. It's notated there. Basically, between the transmission and the engine, you have an electric motor that's sandwiched there that generates power and spools up the massive single turbo, helping this car produce an extra 60 horsepower more than its predecessor. All right, this car actually has more power than a GT3. All right, so it can't be a baby GT3 if it has more power, right? I don't know. Let's kind of dive in. This car also is painted in the Slate Grey Neo color. It is one of the more expensive color options. It's very aggressive. It's very sporty. It lacks metallic flair to it. It just has that like putty look to it. It looks very sporty. And when it's coupled with the black design package, it looks menacing. So when you are successful in adding the Aero Kit package in black, you have a more aggressive front chin spoiler, okay? And by the way, this car does have front axle lift, so the front end can raise up, which is nice. I'll show you that once we get inside of the car. And normally these pieces here are done in like a textured look, kind of like this, but instead it's gloss black, all right? And then these are the opening louvers that are very familiar with the GTS models and Turbo S models now. The black HD Matrix headlights. And when you do the Aero Kit package in black, your wheels are changed from the satin anthracite to the gloss black. In fact, this is pretty much the only way you can get the gloss black look on the wheels. You can't just simply select an option under the wheel options to get gloss black. You have to do one of the exterior design packages, and the Aero Kit is one of them. All right. Along with the wheels, you also have gloss black side mirrors and also the wing that supports the mirror. Okay, we lose the textured finish there. And your lower side skirt, not only does it get swapped out with the standard one, but it gets added the sport design side skirt, which flares out wider, and it's done in gloss black. Obviously your rear wheel matches. These things look great. And by the way, if you notice dirt, etc. on the car, just know that I'm the one that washed the car, so if you do buy a car from me, I'll make sure that the proper folks detail the car, and you'll probably want to even do ceramic coating. Anyway, moving on. At the back of the car, here's the star with Aero Kit. Here is your fixed wing done in gloss black. The uprights are done in body color here. And then your lower sport design rear bumper, the lower area is painted in gloss black. No more textured look. Instead, now it has the gloss black design, which further accentuates your menacing sport exhaust, which is standard on GTS models. That looks great. The 911 Carrera GTS emblem, instead of the matte black, is done in gloss black. Same thing with the Porsche emblem. Okay, so that highlights all of the Aero Kit package in black. Black, gloss black surround there, gloss black on the spoiler, gloss black wheels. I showed you the front, side mirrors, side skirt. All right, now separately, this car also has the design taillights. So all of the red elements have been removed from the taillights. When you step on the brakes, you will still see red, obviously, but when the taillights are dormant, it has this smoky look to it, which is very lovely, simply lovely. This one has the standard red brake calipers, which look very nice. And we have the standard side markers. If any of you follow my videos, you know that I love the clear ones, and if you want clear ones, if you buy the car from me, I'd be glad to include those for you. So once again, make sure to reach out to me. I'm gonna actually cut in here. You have no idea how many times I've met some fantastic people in the showroom. They finish a deal buying a 911 from another sales consultant, and they come up to me saying, hey, I watched your video, that's why I'm here, I loved it, great. What? What? Reach out to me. If I brought you to the dealership to look at that car, I'd love to work with you. That's it. That's all I'm going to say. Kind of comical, but anyway, not at the same time. But here we go. Now, we've talked about some of the exterior details. One last thing, this one does have the glass sunroof. Okay. Now on the inside, take a look. This has the black and Bordeaux red full leather interior package with the 930 leather package. So 930 leather package can be identified by the door cards. You have the diagonal stitching, okay, from the 930 911 Turbo, okay. Name in the comments what year the 930 Turbos came out, please, and what years did they start in the US, and what years was the final production. And then you have the more aggressive stitching on the center that further signifies 930 leather package. This one has the back seats, okay. And then you have the leather tunnel there, which continues to the center console. Leather steering wheel, and also the leather horn surround. If you don't do full leather package in 911s, this is actually like a fake material. Not fake, but it's not leather. And I'm telling you, when you actually see this in person, it makes a difference. So full leather, definitely recommended. At the very top leading edge, you will have the deviated stitching. So all of the upper stitching is done in the Bordeaux finish. Same thing up here. All right. This one has the smoking package, so you have the little cup holder with the actual ashtray. The ashtray thing comes out. Some people just like adding this because it's a zero charge option. And in a world where everything is expensive, why not get something for free, right? Aluminum pedals. And then you have the carbon fiber door sill that is illuminated. And as standard, GTS models have the black brushed aluminum finish here. And that further continues around the console there. All right, there is the front axle lift button. I mentioned that when we were talking about the outside of the car. Sport exhaust, hazards, traction control, and your PASM suspension. Now, GTS models have a suspension that is 10 millimeters lower than Carrera and Carrera S models, okay? So, once again, maybe we can call it a baby GT3 because it does sit a little bit lower. And as I mentioned, this front end does raise up, all right, making a significant approach angle difference. So this way you're less likely to scrape that beautiful front end. All right. Now let's take a look at the window sticker and go over all the pricing. All right. So let me just, not me, sorry. It's my first day using this, just kidding. So here is the first column of options. So feel free to pause it if you need to. All right. Here is the second column of options. It has the premium package, so it has all the typical things: surround view camera, Bose sound package, adaptive cruise, lane change assist, ionizer. And here is the price of the car. This GTS with Aero Kit, right in front of you, right in front of me now, okay? If you want this, you can buy it from me for MSRP. Just reach out to me. I'd love to work with you, all right? I'm gonna make it very simple for you. As I said, my cell phone details are below, so you can call, text me. You can't smoke signal me, but you can do any of those, and I'd love to work with you. So I think that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this particular video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I would love to hear from you as well too. But now we have to call this something. This is not a baby GT3. This is a 911 Carrera S on steroids with an Aero Kit, which does actually add more downforce, although it's been very difficult for me to find out how much extra downforce this generates. There's nothing officially published. I've reached out to several engineers that I'm friendly with out in Germany, and they're struggling to find a PR statement that is compliant. But here's one thing that we do know. For those that have driven the Aero Kit car in the track, the car definitely combats the typical lift that you would find driving above, let's say, 70 or even 100 miles per hour. The Aero Kit definitely combats that for extra downforce. How much downforce? Is it 50 pounds? Is it 100 pounds? We don't know, but it definitely helps. So just like the GT3, we have the fixed wing that helps with downforce. So, all right, so we can't call it a Carrera S on steroids with Aero Kit. That's crazy. We can't call it, let's just call it a baby GT3 and call it a day. Yeah, buy this baby GT3 for me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, Porsche fans.